All right. So this is the objective by the end of this lesson. Okay. So first we will move towards how to greet people and say goodbye in French. So I'm moving towards the next slide. So all of you, can you see the screen? Yes? Okay. So these are the words basically written in French and English. So today we will discuss the slide Les Salutations. So you see the heading. This is Les Salutations. Just as normally we will read it as salutations. Okay. But in French, we will read it differently. As in les. L-E-S will be pronounced as les. Okay. Just as हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं ले, same as les salutations. Okay. Les salutations. Les salutations means greetings. So we are using the word for greetings as les salutations. Okay. So I'm putting everyone on unmute. Now I would like any one of you to volunteer and read these words which are written in French and English. Anyone would like to volunteer and want to read? Yeah, Winky, would you like to read? Deepak, Gauri, anyone? I mean, it's okay, whatever you read. No? No one? Okay. So I will be reading for all of you. Am I audible? Okay. Yeah. So the first one is bonjour. Okay. Bonjour. Bonjour means hello. Okay. So when we meet, like if I meet to you, so I'll be saying bonjour. And for good evening, I'll be using bonsoir. Okay. Bonsoir. So in French, many of the letters we do not pronounce. Okay. So we pronounce it might be differently. Okay. So in the next session, we will be learning how the letters are pronounced, like the alphabets, how we pronounce it. But in today's session, we are just learning. We are just going through some words so that you can be familiar with many of the words and get to know how upcoming sessions will help you to learn the French in a better way. So don't worry much about this in this session. Just make yourself familiar with the words. So first one is bonjour. Okay. Second is bonsoir. Bonsoir means good evening. Bonne nuit. Okay. This is bonne nuit. Bonne nuit means good night. Bonne nuit. Okay. Salut. This is salut. Salut means hi. Okay. Salut. So all of you, for all of you, I'm repeating one more time. This is bonjour, bonsoir, bonne nuit, salut. Okay, salut. Yeah. So I'm moving towards the next. Au revoir. O A U as an O, and this is hawa. Okay, we do not pronounce R. We say it ha. Okay. So R is sound, I mean the sound of R is her. Okay. So it will become O Havwa. A-U-O Havwa. O Havwa. O Havwa as in goodbye. O Havwa. Next is Abianto.
Excuse me.
Yeah. Next is
Uh, could you please repeat it again?
which one?
After salute. Oh,
It's Salu. Okay. Salu. And
after salute.
Salu, it's,
Goodbye.
yeah, O Havwa. O Havwa.
Oh,
Havwa.
hawa.
Yeah, okay. This, I mean, I can break this word. R-E as in her, voix. V-O-I-R as
Okay.
in voix. Havua. Oh, havua.
Hawa.
Yeah, oh,
Okay.
havua. Like when you will be
Oh,
going
hawa.
forward, when you will be joining the session, you will be saying bonjour. I'm sorry. Okay, so when you will be joining the session, you will be saying bonjour, and when you will be leaving the
Bonjour.
session, and when you will be leaving the
Au
session,
revoir.
you are going to say au revoir. So today, by the end of the
Okay, okay.
lesson, you will be saying
Au
au
revoir.
revoir. Okay,
Oh,
yeah, au
au
revoir,
revoir.
au revoir. Okay, and madame, you see
Oh,
here, madame, madame. Madame. So madame as
madame.
in, yeah, ma'am,
Madame.
yeah, Mrs. Okay. So when you will be leaving the session, you can say au revoir, madame. Bonjour, madame.
Au
Okay.
revoir, madame.
Yeah, au revoir, madame.
Madame.
Bonjour, bonjour, madame. All right. So the by end of the lesson, you are going to say au revoir. Okay. So next is,
Au revoir.
yeah, a bientôt.
Madame.
Next is a bientôt. A
À
bientôt.
bientôt.
Yeah, a bientôt. Okay. To.
Yeah.
T-O-T. To. A bientôt.
À bientôt.
See you soon. A bientôt. See you soon. Okay. So,
Okay. À
yeah,
bientôt. See
yeah,
you soon.
yeah. Bonjour, hello. Bonsoir, good evening. Bonne nuit, good night. Salut, hi. Au revoir, goodbye. A bientôt, see you soon. Okay.
À
And
bientôt.
yeah, these are the two words, monsieur and mademoiselle. So you will practice this in the next lesson. Okay, the pronunciation is little bit different and difficult most of the time. So these two words we will practice this in the next session. Okay, sir
Okay.
or miss. So for today's lesson, just go through with these words. And now I would like you to pronounce and read these words for me and for all of us. So, who would like to begin first?
Shall I?
Yeah, continue.
The first one is bonjour, like it's hello.
Bonjour. First one is bonjour.
Bon-
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Yeah, bonjour.
Bonjour.
Jou, je,
Bonjour.
jou. जैसे हम
Show.
zoo से जाते
Bonjour.
jou, je, it's je,
Bonjour.
jou.
Okay, okay.
आपको
Bonjour means
और आपको होल्ड ऑन, आपको आर नहीं बोलना. ओके, आर इज
okay.
साउंड, आर इज,
Silent.
yeah, not silent, but it sounds as her. Bonjour. Okay, her. The sound of r is
Bonjour.
s. Yeah, r की जो sound होती है वो s I mean ह होती है, ह. तो हमें r
हाँ.
नहीं, उसको ह देखना है. तो bonjour, ह. Okay, same as bonsoir.
Bonjour.
Not bonsoir, it will be bonsoir. Okay, yeah, continue. Bonjour.
Bonjour
Yeah,
means hello.
yeah.
Bonjour.
Bonsoir.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Yeah,
Bonjour means good evening.
yeah.
Bonjour.
No, this is bonjour, so this cannot be bonjour, right? This is
Yeah, yeah.
bonne nuit. Okay, bonne nuit. So it will become bonne nuit.
Bonne nuit.
Yeah. Not,
Okay, okay.
आपको टी
Bonne
भी
nuit.
प्रोनाउंस नहीं करना. ओके, टी, टी भी नहीं प्रोनाउंस करना. टी इज साइलेंट. Okay, so bun
It's
wi, yeah, bun wi. Okay, bun
bonne
wi,
nuit.
yeah, bun wi,
Okay, bonne nuit
yeah,
means good night.
yeah.
Salute means hi.
Again, T is silent, so salu. T is silent,
Salut.
yeah, salu,
Okay, okay. Salut.
salu.
Salut means hi
Hi, salu.
or how.
Au revoir,
Au revoir means goodbye.
yeah.
A bientôt.
A bientôt,
A bientôt.
yeah.
A bientôt means see you soon.
Very nice, good job. Yeah, anyone else who would like to read? Yeah, everyone
Yes,
should
may I?
participate. Yeah, continue. Yeah, I will help
First
you.
is bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour means hello.
Wow.
We have bonsoir.
Wow.
Bonsoir means good evening.
Wow.
फिर है बनरी. Banri means good night.
Wow.
फिर है tell you.
Wow.
Tell you means hi.
Yeah.
And next is oh Hawa.
Yeah.
Hawa means goodbye.
Yeah.
Next is a binyato.
Bianto.
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 Wow. Bianto.
A
Nice.
Bianto means see you soon.
Next is Madame, right? Madame.
Madam.
Madam Miss
Yeah.
Mrs. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. You can say anything, ma'am, also. Okay.
Yes.
So now, Deepak, would you like to read? Yeah.
Sure, I will read it.
Yeah, I will help you.
Yeah, okay. First one is
And I will request to everyone, do not hesitate because we all are learning. So today is the day to pronounce it. If you are able to speak it today, you will do it tomorrow.
Hello.
Okay? Don't worry if you say it wrong or right. Okay? Leave it to me. Just read it. Okay, yeah, continue. Yeah.
okay.
Bonjour.
First one is bonjour,
Wow.
is hello. Second is bonsoir,
Wow.
that means good evening.
Yeah.
And then third one is banuri,
Wow.
that is good night. Fourth one is salu, that
Wow.
means hi.
Huh?
And fifth one is oh hawa, that
Wow.
means good boy.
Yeah.
And then sixth one is abianto,
Wow.
that means see you soon. And last one is madan,
Yeah.
that means ma'am.
Mrs. Women.
Yeah,
This is for
Mrs.
women.
Bonjour.
Wonderful. Yeah. Anyone else?
Can I read?
Yeah. Very nice. Go ahead.
So first one is bonjour, means hello.
Bonjour.
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 Yeah.
Bonjour.
Wow.
Hello.
Yeah.
Bonsoir.
Wow.
Good evening.
Wow.
Bonne nuit. Good night.
This is bun we.
चलो।
Okay. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना बन दे दो,
Okay,
मार्केट में
bonjour.
बन मिलते हैं,
Bonjour.
खाने वाले बन, same as bun we. Okay. Bun we.
Bonne,
Yeah. Bun we.
bonne nuit.
Yeah.
Good night.
Yeah.
Hello.
Salut.
Hi.
Wow.
Salut. Hi. And oh, Hawa.
Wonderful.
Goodbye.
Wow.
And bianto.
Wow.
See you.
Abianto. Yeah.
Bianto.
Abianto.
Madam.
Very
Mrs.
nice.
Or Madam.
Well tried, Winky. Very nice. Anyone else who would like to read?
मैं Priya.
Okay, continue. Yeah,
Priya.
continue. Priya.
Bonjour.
Wow.
Bonjour means hello.
Yeah.
Bonsoir.
Wow.
It means good evening.
Okay.
Bonne nuit.
Wow. Banvi. Very nice.
Good night.
Yeah.
Salut
Yeah.
means hi.
Yeah.
Or Hawa.
Oh.
Or Hawa means good.
Oh, Hawa.
Oh, sorry. Oh, Hawa means goodbye.
Yeah.
Abianto means see you. Or
Okay.
Madame means Mrs.
Yeah. Very nice. So this is Banvi. Okay. Not band because there is no D. Okay. So this is Banvi. Banvi. Okay. Yeah. Bun. Not bun.
Banvi.
Yeah, Banvi.
Bun.
Very nice. Banvi. Correct. Okay, Banvi. So, bun.
Banvi.
Okay, so do you see? Do you see BON? BON means good, and BONNE means good. Okay, BON means good. BONNE means good. Okay, all of you. Bun. BONN
Yeah.
bun. BON as in bon. Okay, bon. All right. Yeah, continue.
मैं करूँ पल्लवी?
Yeah, auntie, continue.
First is bonjour, hello.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Yeah.
Bonjour.
Wow.
Hello.
Yeah.
Bonjour. Good evening.
Yeah.
Bonjour. Good night.
Auntie, it's Banvi. Banvi.
Bunny.
Banvi.
Bunny.
वी होल्ड ऑन, मैं आपको बताती हूँ, होल्ड करो आप. बन मतलब कि बन, खाने वाला बन है ना, बन.
हाँ, बन.
वी, WEV, बनवी.
We. अच्छा, bunny.
बनवी.
Okay, bunny.
या बनवी.
Good night.
बंद नहीं
And
बोलना, बंद वाला बंद नहीं कि बंद कर दो.
Bun.
हाँ, बन ना. That's it.
Okay,
Bonjour. Bonjour.
bunny.
बनवी.
Bunny.
या
Good night.
या.
Sallu. Hi.
वाओ.
Oh, how?
ओ हवा.
Oh,
हवा.
Oh, Hawa. Oh, Hawa. Goodbye. Abianto.
वाओ.
See you soon. Madam. Mrs.
Madam.
Madam. Okay.
Very nice. Well tried, Auntie. Yeah,
Thank
anyone
you.
else who would like to read? Who is left? Who is left? Yeah. Tina? Would you like to read? Yeah, unmute yourself.
Bonjour.
Yeah, wow.
Bonsai.
Yeah, next one. Yeah.
Bonsai.
Bonsoir. Soir.
Bonsoir.
Bonsoir.
Yeah.
Very nice. Bonsoir.
Bonvi.
Banvi.
Banvi.
Yeah. Banvi. Very nice.
Salut.
Wow.
Oh,
Yeah. Au revoir.
au revoir.
Yeah.
Au revoir.
Au revoir means goodbye.
Abianto.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Yeah.
Abianto. See you soon.
Wow.
Oh, Madam, Mrs.
Very nice. Wonderful. Well tried, all of you. Okay. So now you can say hello, good evening, good night, hi, goodbye in French. Now you are familiar with these words, right? So whenever you are going to meet someone, you can say bonjour, right? Am I right? And when you are going to leave, so you can say au revoir, à bientôt. Okay? All right. So now I am, any question from this page except these two? Anyone is left? I think we all are done. No one is left. Okay, all right. Okay, so I'm moving towards the next slide. Okay. So all of you, can you see the screen? Right?
Yes.
Okay, so something is written, right? With smileys. Okay. So I'm reading the question. You see the question mark here. So this is a question. Okay.
Kamante kawa.
Yeah. So anyone would like to read this? What is written here? Anyone?
Komente kawa.
Very nice. Anyone else?
Comment.
Wow. Anyone else?
Comment kawa.
Okay. Deepak, you? Yeah. Pinky, you want to read?
Comment kawa.
Okay. Pinky, you? No? Yes?
Comment cover.
Okay. So I have already told you T is silent. Okay. So we do not need to pronounce T. So this will become como.
Comment.
Como.
Comment. Kawa.
Como.
Como Sava. Okay. This is como Sava.
Goho.
Como Sava. Okay. And
Como kawa.
como Sava.
Como Saha.
Yeah.
Saha.
Como Sava. So como Sava means how are you? Okay.
Como Sava.
means how are you? So how are you?
Ma'am, can you repeat this, please?
Okay. This is como. जैसे हम बोलते हैं कोमा लगा दो.
Como kawa.
मोमो वाला कोमो. Okay.
Como Sava.
Como Sava. Sava. Okay.
Sava. Como Sava.
Como Sava. Okay. Yeah. So we are not going to read it as comment. This is como. Como Sava. Como sava means how are you? So if I want to know how are you, so I will say como sava. Okay, so yeah, I am putting everyone on mute and all of you will just say 5 times. Practice it. Hold on. Yeah. So say 5 times como sava, como sava, como sava, sava,
Como Sava.
sava, como sava. Okay, como sava. So como sava means how are you? So the answer will be sava bien, right? Sava bien. Sava bien means I'm good. Okay. So just today we are learning this word only. Como sava? Sava bien. Okay. Sava bien means I am good. I'm feeling good today. Okay.
Sava.
Bien. B-I-E-N. Bien. Bien.
Sava.
Bien.
Is it B on me?
Ba. Ba. Bombay. B.
Bia.
Bien. जैसे मियाँ.
Sava Bia.
So आपको मियाँ नहीं बिया बोलना है. बिया. Okay.
Bia.
Sava बिया. Right. Sava बिया. Okay. B से start हो रहा है तो बिया.
नेटवर्क इशू तो नहीं
Okay. So como sava? Sava biya. So I am feeling good. One hands up means I am feeling good. Sava biya. Okay. Two hands up. This picture. Sava thebiya. Sava thebiya with big smile. I'm super excited. I'm feeling too good today. Right. So Sava thebiya. Sava biya. Sava thebiya. Okay. Sava biya. Just listen it. Don't worry too much for this word. Thebiya. Just listen it. Sava biya. Sava thebiya. You will get to know gradually. Okay. So Sava biya. Sava thebiya. Super good. Okay. So como sava. The question is como sava. How are you? Sava biya. That's it. This is all for the day. Like if you want to know how are you, como sava, your answer will be Sava biya. Okay. Now I'm moving towards the next slide. Okay. So this is an interesting slide for all of you. Okay. So today you will learn how to tell your name. Okay. If I want to know your name, so how you can tell your name. Okay. So this is an interesting slide. Okay. Mhm. All right. So if I want to know the name, okay, so I'm going to say, hold on, give me a second. Okay, so the question is, I want to know your name, okay? In the previous slide, what we have discussed, how are you, okay? Previous slide, we have discussed, how are you? So I will be saying Como Sava and the answer will be Sava Biya. And in the next slide, we are learning if I want to know your name, okay? So I'll be saying the question will be Como vous appelez-vous? Just as in English we say what is your name, but in French we say it Como vous appelez-vous? Okay? Como, this is Como vous appelez-vous? Okay? So don't worry about this question. Today just try to learn how to tell your name. Okay? We will discuss more on this question in the next session, but today just try to learn this sentence. Okay. This one, je m'appelle. Okay, je m'appelle. So if I say to you comment vous appelez-vous, so your answer will be je m'appelle Pallavi Bhatia. I mean my answer will be Pallavi Bhatia. Je m'appelle your name. Okay. So if I call Vinky and say comment vous appelez-vous, so your reply will be
Je m'appelle Vinky Gola.
Very nice. So you can say this way, je m'appelle. Okay, je m'appelle. Yeah, your name. Okay. And auntie, comment vous appelez-vous?
Je m'appelle Kamlesh Gola.
Wow. Unmute yourself, Tina. Comment vous appelez-vous?
Je m'appelle Tina.
Very nice. Je m'appelle. Okay. Now, Deepak. Two times Deepak I can see. I mean.
One is Madhvi and one is me.
Okay, you are Madhvi. And okay. So Madhvi, comment vous appelez-vous?
Je m'appelle Madhvi.
Very nice. And comment vous appelez-vous, Deepak?
Je m'appelle Deepak.
Very nice. Okay. Priya and who else?
Gauri. Gauri.
Gauri. Okay. So, comment vous appelez-vous?
Je m'appelle Gauri.
Okay. And another one. Comment vous appelez-vous?
Je m'appelle Priya.
Yeah. Okay. This is je. Okay. Je m'appelle. All right. Yeah. Je m'appelle. Je m'appelle Priya. Okay. So now you can tell your name as well. Je m'appelle Pallavi Bhatia. So that you can also say the same way. Je m'appelle. Okay. So you can just learn the spelling as well. Je m'appelle. So je means I. Okay. Je means I. So we will discuss more on this in the upcoming session. How to say I, you. Okay. These we will learn in the upcoming sessions. Okay. So this is the formal way. Comment vous appelez-vous is the formal way of knowing someone's name. Okay. If I don't know you. So I hope all of you understand what is the meaning of formal way. What is a formal way? Formal way is basically अगर मैं आपको नहीं जानती, right? तो that will become formal way. जैसे कि हम हिंदी में अगर बात करें तो हिंदी में हम आप वर्ड यूज करते हैं, आप, है ना? तो सेम वे फ्रेंच में भी हम फॉर्मल तरीके से भी बात करते हैं. जैसे हम हिंदी में फॉर्मल मतलब छोटे बच्चों को हम तू करके बुलाते हैं और बड़ों को हम आप करके बुलाते हैं. तो सेम वे अगर हमने किसी बड़े से बात करनी है तो हम ये वाला सेंटेंस यूज करते हैं, comment vous appelez-vous, right? This is a formal way. Okay, I'm moving towards the next slide. This is the informal way. So if I say comment tu t'appelles, so your answer will be again the same, je m'appelle Pallavi Bhatia. Okay, so comment tu t'appelles means what is your name. Okay, but this is informal way of knowing someone's name. So किसी का भी नाम आप दो तरीके से जान सकते हैं, एक फॉर्मल वे और दूसरा इनफॉर्मल वे. इनफॉर्मल वे होगा this one, comment vous appelez-vous. Informal होगा comment tu t'appelles, right? So two ways of knowing someone's name, but the answer will remain same. क्योंकि कोई अगर आप किसी से भी पूछोगे तो वो यही बोलेगा मेरा नाम this, right? Answer change नहीं होगा, only question will get changed. So you can say comment tu t'appelles or comment vous appelez-vous. Okay, all right.
Can you once again pronounce the informal way of asking question? Comment
Comment vous appelez-vous?
comment tu t'appelles. Okay. Yeah. So अभी आप तू ही assume करो, but I will tell you the pronunciation later on. Okay. क्योंकि चू जो है something differently pronounce होता है, इसको हम completely तू भी नहीं बोलते, but for now अभी आप इसको तू बोल सकते हो. Okay. Later sessions में I will tell you कि जब हम सारे discuss करेंगे कि how to, उसको बोलते हैं pronoun sujet, तो हम जब वो discuss करेंगे I will tell you the pronunciation. Okay. Yeah. जिसमें कि सारा I, we, me, you, उसको हम कैसे फ्रेंच में प्रोनाउंस करते हैं, we will discuss those in upcoming session. So yeah, I think we covered our all the points of the today's objective, like how to greet people and say goodbye. We discussed this today. How to ask a person's name, right? So now you can say and you can tell your name as well, right? And find out how someone is doing. So we discussed this also, como ça va, right? So we discussed 3 slides. Okay, salutations. I mean salutation, les salutations in French. Bonjour, bonsoir, bonne nuit. And then como ça va bien, and knowing someone's name, right? So that's all for the day. If you have any question, you can tell me.
What was the last two point in fourth slide? Last two slide. Last, I mean, on
One?
fourth slide there is fourth slide.
This one?
Fourth
Okay.
one, yes, and last two one. Sawa mal or something like that.
Savamal, as in you can see, not feeling good. And kamsi kamsa. Okay, okay. Kamsi kamsa.
Kamsi kamsa. Okay.
Not
Kamsi
feeling
kamsa.
good, not feeling bad. Okay, okay. Okay. So sava bien, good. Savat hai bien, super. Sava mal, not good. Kamsi kamsa, okay, okay. Okay. Yeah. Messi. Messi means thank you. Okay. Messi. This is Messi. Messi. So Messi means thank
Merci,
you.
ma'am. Merci.
Messi, madam. Okay. So you can say Messi, madam to me if you want to, or you can say Messi also. Messi means thank you. So you have any
Merci.
question? Yeah.
Merci, madam.
Yeah, I mean, I do not want the first lesson to be so hectic or burdensome. So that's why I planned it a little bit, easy for all of you. Gradually, you will find it new things to learn. Okay. Yeah. So you have any question from these slides? No? Okay. All right.
It was
So
really good.
yeah, I mean, beginning of the session, we did not get the chance to introduce ourselves. So many of us might not be knowing each other. So if you want to, you can just give if you want to introduce yourself, it will be good for all of us to know each other. Yeah. Just your name and anything else you would like to add. Otherwise, it will be okay if you just want to tell your name. Yeah.
Je m'appelle Rinki,
Wow.
and
Very
and
nice. Yeah.
I'm doing a job, working from home right in these days, and I'm also learning. I'm also doing my MA in English from IGNOU.
Sorry. You are also?
I'm also pursuing my post graduation in from IGNOU in MA in English.
Oh, wow. Wonderful. Yeah. And Auntie, would you like to introduce yourself? After some days, you will be presenting yourself in French also. Yeah.
Zama Kamlesh Gola. I'm teacher. I'm teaching from 15 years. Nursery to 5th classes.
Oh, thank you, Auntie. Yeah. Tina. Yeah.
Je m'appelle Tina Gandhi.
Wow. Yeah. Anything else? That's it? You are working or housewife?
Housewife.
Housewife? Okay. Very nice.
But I want to do something in my life.
Oh, wow. So you can do many things if you learn French, right? You have so
Yes,
many
I
options.
want.
Yeah. So one day you will be teaching French also. Okay. Yeah. Anyone else?